Hello everyone, Allison Galasso here from Kerrigan Country Realty, welcoming you to a premier waterfront offering on Long Island's North Fork. This is 40 Overlook Drive in Aquebogue. Overlook Drive offers 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms with a fully finished Yacht Club lower level. One of the premier highlights of this offering is the extensive dockage available, up to 8 boats with deep water access to the beautiful Peconic Bay. The heart of every home is the kitchen, and this one has everything you need for all of those memorable gatherings. Plenty of spaces to dine and entertain your guests and family and enjoy. One of my absolutely favorite rooms in this house is this all-season sunroom. You have gorgeous views of Meeting House Creek, the lush landscaping, and the swimming pool is right there. You can enjoy this year-round. Radiant heating in the floors, little gas fireplace, beautiful place to watch either the sunrise or the snowfall. This is the primary suite. It is on the 2nd floor of the home, and it has a private balcony with a hot tub overlooking Meeting House Creek. Another fantastic feature is this beautiful yard. You have lush landscaping, beautiful lawns, and the house is sited on over an acre of property. It is fully FEMA compliant, and the house, although waterfront, it is not in a flood zone. Thank you for spending time with me today at 40 Overlook Drive in Aquebogue. Should you have any interest in this property, please feel free to reach out. My direct cell is 631-258-1192. Thanks again.